Hi, it's me, Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. I hope you're all doing well. So I'm super excited for today's video because this video is actually sponsored by Akko. I'm not too sure how to pronounce their name, but they're a really cool keyboard and keycap PC setup peripheral brand. They have a keycap set that was literally, I feel like made for me. Like it screams me and it's so perfect. So today's video is gonna be my first keyboard keycap unboxing and maybe ASMR video of changing my keyboard's keycaps to these by Akko, and I'm really excited. I'm gonna try my best to be quiet so y'all get the full ASMR experience. And while I am still a novice, I'm still learning about keycaps. I didn't know keycaps could be so cute. And then I saw their Valentine's Day Cupid themed keycaps and I was like, what the heck? I need these. They're so cute. Thank you again to Akko for sending me these keycaps to unbox and kind of test out with all of you. I'm really excited and I think you're gonna really like them. But before we begin, if you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. It would really mean a lot to me and it really helps out the channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I really truly appreciate it. Please be sure to click that bell icon. That way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you're into keycaps and cute pink things and PC setups and keyboards and ASMR clackety clack, be sure to click that thumbs up button. I'm really excited to open these up and show y'all because I've seen pictures of them and they are so cute and so perfect for my setup. I'm gonna shut up now and this is gonna be the nice relaxing, hopefully relaxing portion of the video. Okay, let's unbox these.